asuntoskeittiö Salpaus.
It's the 24th of July 2021. We even got this out here today. Hämeenkatu 34th today and Lahti. Finland. Because these three versions of 2.5 grams, it's a beautiful old gated Kone picture. Modernized with Kone fixtures, but still beautiful. Yes. The interior was also refurbished, and it was modernized. And let's see if this was modernized. Built in 1946, modernized in 1994. It's turning 75 years old this year. It's 2021. It was actually 25 years old in 2019. That's your number is 3842, and it's going to be inspected in the next year, 2022. It's still very nice.
Yeah.
It's a part of this 1940s, 50s heritage in Lahti, which is pretty beautiful, I must say.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's worth it, of course. But some are sadly basically tests here nearby.
Yeah.
Now it's got a wide door, like it's quite wide.
Yeah.
I think also in Lahti they built a lot of residential buildings quickly after the war, so this is one of those.
Yeah.
1946 was right after the war.
Yeah.
But Helsinki was the fastest speed, I think.
Oh yeah, probably.
Yeah. Lahti was one of the fastest.
Yeah. Inspected by, maintained by Kone.
Yeah. I think this style is a bit interesting, a different font.
Yeah.
It's a bit unusual.
Yeah.
But still, I think this panel is original from 1994.
Yeah.
They just printed this text in a different way.
Yeah.
They could use different fonts, but it's not the one that we usually see.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Let's hope we'll also get to the 2 hours text.
Text.